Yeah, it took us 3 whole weeks to finish. But let's go see what we've done. I like it better than the old one. I love my bedroom. Yeah, we have our training room so we don't have to go to the gym anymore. Yeah, it's pretty nice in here. I decorated this one. Didn't you decorate this? Really nice flower. It took us like literally 3 whole weeks to finish this house. Let's go watch My Hero Academia. Hold on, I gotta sit over here. I'm gonna sit over here. This is my side. Oh my god, this show is so good. How long have we been watching it? Yeah, my eyes hurt. See ya. I need to make my bed first. Perfect. Shoo. 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 Ah! Yeah, hold on. I gotta wake my bed. Ah! Oh my goodness. I need to brush my teeth. KK. Hold it! I'm just gonna shoot this out. Okay. Come in, I dropped my toothbrush, but whatever. Okay, gotta grab my spaghetti. You're sitting on my side. Nope. Get up. Yes, or I'm throwing you out. I meant by throwing you out of the seat. Okay, let's go. Oh, I don't know. Are we going somewhere today? Are we going somewhere today? Oh, yeah, right, unfortunately. Oh, I left the bathroom door open. Ha Hey! Flower, Shannon, Annie, let me in right now! What? Huh. Hang on. Hang on, Flower. Okay, I'll go pay for it. Okay, it's fixed. Okay! Flower, stop locking me out! Get up! Okay, what should we watch now? What house did you like the most, excluding this one? I liked our second house. Yeah, but I meant my house-wise, like not the car or anything. House-wise, what was your favorite? Excluding this one. I liked the second one we did. Okay, I'm gonna take a little nap. Wait, can you tell me an event that happened in Brookhaven? Bye. Okay, time to get my beauty rest. Beauty rest? Not even time to go to bed yet. I'm just taking a little nap. Hey, Flower, Flower? She should be in her room, right? She's gone. Huh, she probably went out. Finally! It's been 1 hour! There's blood all over your shirt. What was that blood all about? I saw blood all over your shirt. Okay. Okay, I'm turning this TV off. It's getting annoying. What was that? Oh, I heard some sound. Okay. Num 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 num. Watermelon's my favorite fruit.
Okay, well, I forgot something outside. I'll be right back.
Okay. Maybe it has something to do with. Oh my god.
Lonnie, I'm back.
There's blood.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, I should stop trying to have it get to me.
I think you're hallucinating.
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna take a little nap.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna take a little nap too.
Okay.